So we're back for another garden update. So today we got like 2 hours of light left. Crew's gonna come out here and help me. We're gonna finish screwing in to complete the large garden raised bed here. Cruz did finish the strawberry bed yesterday. We got to add 2 more bags of mulch, and then I'm gonna add middle supports here. I was gonna put 4x4 posts in, but I think that's overkill. I'm just gonna put 2x4s in from there down to the ground, and then I'm gonna use the spare wood that I have, and I'm gonna frame out the bottom about 18-19 inches tall to keep the rabbits out. And then I'm gonna eventually put a cage all the way around the top section of it. But if I get 19 inches off the top, I think that'll help stop the rabbits. So let's get to work. So I'm gonna grab some 3-inch screws, and then basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the boards here at a 4-foot mark and just drill these. These will add a little extra support. This top board here, this board from the middle of this post to the edge over there should be 8 feet. So obviously it's not quite 8 foot because I didn't cut these boards down. I'm gonna try to make my life easier here. So it's 8.5 foot. So we're gonna go 4 1/4 to the center mark of this board. 4 1/4. Trusty speed square to mark. We do this right here. We gotta center up our 2x4. That mark. Hammer down. So I'm not uber concerned here about where this goes in. I will square up the bottom to the outside of this post here in a second. But I'm just gonna dig a little bit of dirt out. I mean, it's already touching the ground. Why not? Marks right here. Kind of is what it is. That'll be buried a little bit. Who knows, maybe that'll be helpful down the road. These are 3-inch screws here.
I know.
Okay. You only need, just ram a couple of these in right here. Beep, beep. Ram a couple, boom, boom,
Yeah.
there and there.
Just like maybe 2.
And then this one, I will go first. I think this one should go second. Yep, just like that. Guess you gotta put pressure on the back side of it. You always have to put right here. One hand goes back here. There you go. See how it controls a little bit better? Get a little bit more force. So put one on the other end. I'm gonna go shave this board down.
I'm gonna double the nails for this bottom one.
Yes, please, yes. Double those, and then I'm gonna go cut these boards, okay?
I can center it up for you a little bit.
Be good right there. Okie dokie. Can you get the level for me? Grab that level. You gotta hold it just like that. Yep, so you can see that level. That looks pretty darn good, don't it?
I gotta go.
It don't gotta be perfect.
Okay.
This one here for extra. All right, I need your help. That one's just barely in there, so don't let that fall and hit you. Real thin right here, so and we got one more bag, so try to spread it like from here over, not yet, from here over. You're going to use these frames to make a lower fence to protect it from the rabbits. We're going to use wood slats either in the middle, or I'm just going to grab chicken wire and put it in here. But as you can see, it's not quite long enough. So I'm going to cut it and put it right here. And then I'm just going to use this to scrap somewhere else. grab another one, and continue on. It's a little extra work, but it is free wood. So once again, it's incredibly hard to beat free wood. See all the progress we got done today. So that's it. You can see the progress we got done today. Pretty much got the mulch barrier here. I'm gonna put some fence boards in to protect that. And then on the back side here, I think I'm gonna put some grates on it, like some hog wires, and just box off this top end. But it's coming along. I probably got a couple more days and I'll be done and ready to start filling these boxes. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Next episode coming at you. I'm gonna put fence board boop, boop, boop there and hog wire around so the deer can't get to it. But coming along nicely. It's fancy.